waste is really waste management is really a challenge now in the country. If you take a few steps out from this site, you try and walk around our streets of Suva, Lesotho, land everywhere. You can see rabbits everywhere. But these rabbits can be managed. These waste can be managed. And one of the best ways to manage this waste is to use one of the concepts that is now being advocated as well as being shared by the Pacific Recycling Foundation. The three R's of waste management. I hope all of you know the three R's. What are the three R's? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are the three basic concepts that all of us must champion, all of us must advocate to ensure that we live in a country where we're able to maintain as well as maintain a very safe, a clean as well as a resilient country.